Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace wipers on a Nissan Rogue. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. It's also a good idea to have a soft towel handy to protect your windshield. Begin by gently lifting the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. This provides clear access to the blade for removal. Once the arm is up, look for a small tab or button near where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab to release the locking mechanism. Then, carefully slide the old wiper blade downwards, away from the arm's hook. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. Keep a firm grip on it. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield, making sure it rests properly. With both new blades installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they make full contact with the glass and provide a clear, streak-free wipe. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Also, remember to check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.